How to make WhatsApp images appear in gallery. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. This is the WhatsApp settings page. Now, go to Chats. Here, you need to make sure that the Save to Photos option is enabled. This automatically saves photos and videos you receive on WhatsApp to your phone gallery. You can change this setting anytime if you do not want your photos to automatically get saved to your phone gallery. So, by following these simple steps, you can easily make WhatsApp images appear in gallery. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.